So when's your course coming out?
So this is so annoying. TikTok keeps banning me. Like I think someone paid. You know how people can pay to get your accounts down? It has to be someone's targeting me like that, and I think I know who it is. But but it's like as soon as my TikTok, that's like where my whole girl fan base is. So I only made this course because for years these girls, like somehow I got a girl, because all my other platforms it's like men obviously because OnlyFans, but on TikTok I just have hundreds of thousands of females that are like my support team. Like they're so dope. And I don't know how it got like that, but they are always begging me like, you need to make a course, you need to teach us how to do it. And so finally I was like, should I really do this? So all these girls have been begging, asking when it comes out. I've been working on it for a year. Like I really have just put everything into it. And as soon as I'm about to release it, my TikTok just will not come back.
Wow.
And that's like where all my girls are. Like some of them are on my Instagram, but like the main, like where I got this whole fan base that asked for this course is deleted right now.
Dang, that sucks.
So
were you verified on TikTok?
No, I wasn't.
Oh, that could be why. I got banned twice last week.
Last week?
Yeah. I did an interview with Tulsi Gabbard. Do you even know who that is?
No, I don't.
She's a politician, but
and
I got banned
because of that?
Yeah, it tells you the clip. Like when you log in, it says this clip wasn't allowed. Why would you?
Because someone reported it because it's politics?
Probably, yeah. She's got powerful enemies.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm sure whoever's targeting you has a reason.
Dang, that's crazy. See, like I feel like TikTok just will take you down for no reason.
People know how to rig it in a way where one little video could get you banned if reported in the right way. So
yeah, that's what I think is happening because I'm getting it back. So I get it like a recovery service.
Yeah.
Get it back, but within 24 hours, it's gone again.
Right.
So I think whoever is like, I think someone's paying to be deleted. When they see I'm back, they're like, hey, she's back up. So then he has to retake it down. And I think it's just like.
And when you're not verified, it's easier to get you taken down. So.
But I feel like TikTok does not want to verify girls like me.
Yeah. Have you been banned on any platforms?
Yeah, pretty much all of them.
All of them?
But now I have like the recovery thing.
Yeah.
So that's what I have to use every single time. But I mean, Twitter I've never been deleted on, but like Instagram and TikTok is just like a struggle constantly.
I bet. Twitter allows everything. I see little on there. So.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there I'm like, I can be me. But Instagram, I'm like trying to stay calm. But like TikTok, I'm like, I really don't feel like I'm going that crazy. Like I'm not showing booty and doing all that. I just think someone's reporting it.
Yeah.
But that's where I wanted to launch it, like to all those girls. So I did like soft launch it on my Instagram, and it's doing like if these numbers keep up, it's like comparative to OnlyFans money.
Wow.
So, and I'm like, so that basically like would double my money. So I'm like now really motivated to keep it going. But I know if I get that TikTok back and give it to those girls, like then it'll
pop off. Nice. Yeah, I wonder if your model is replicatable. Like, do you think you could have an ordinary girl just make money on OnlyFans?
I do think so because I know there's so many like ordinary girls. So I'm on like this Telegram like group chat with all these girls, and these girls are making more than me. Some of them that are never been in the industry, never done. They're not big on social media, nothing. We all have this like cross promotion Telegram where we're in all these groups where we like help each other grow.
Oh wow!
And like there's girls who have no like they're making like $300,000 a month. And I'm out here like having sex with tons of people, and they're like not, and then they're making these numbers, and they have no social media. So that's when I discovered that, that's when my numbers went up because I started taking notes from those girls because I usually only knew girls, and we like all the management companies and stuff. So I tried the management company back in like 2018, but
they take 50%, right?
They take all your money. And they don't know any of the methods. Like I kept trying to be like telling them they don't utilize all the features on there. So I was trying to like teach them. And then when I started teaching them, I'm like, what am I doing? Like, I just need to figure this out myself. So I took my page back 100%, which was like the scariest thing ever. So it's probably like 2000, like right before the pandemic.
Right.
And then I just learned from these Telegram girls. So I bought other girls' courses. I bought all these, like learned how to do like all the captions and what to put on your feed and like trial and error for years. And then that's when I became a millionaire.
Wow, look at you being an entrepreneur. That's cool. Yeah, that must have been a scary moment though, because you were relying on the agency.
And I never knew a girl like in the industry who ever did it without a management company.
Oh yeah.
So I was so scared. I was so scared to do it, but I feel like that's the best way to do it because, well, I like to be in control.
Yeah.
But I just feel like you don't get control if you don't have your page. So I know exactly like what I'm posting to the feed. Like I have all these little methods that I know how to make money, and that's why I think anyone could use the model because I had all the fan base before, but like when I had the management company, I was maybe making like $30,000 a month, but then I'm paying them half. So, you know,
Right.
I'm making maybe $15,000 a month. But I had that same fan base from being in the industry so long. But then when I took it and then applied all these things I taught myself, that's when it went to, you know, 7 figures.
I love it. Yeah. And plus you're collabing with other girls, so you can both grow.
Yeah. And like there's just so many little techniques and things I never knew about. And when you're on there yourself and you know the fans and you can give them that relationship, like actually like spoil them and make them feel important. Like some of these management companies are just treating them poorly. So,
Yeah, I've heard some wild stories.
Yeah, so I can like send those guys that are like good to me. I can like send them like a video so they know it's me, and I can send them voice notes and stuff. And I just feel like it makes a better relationship for the fans. So that's why they're spending more.
You ever do fan meetups?
I did once.
Yeah, you did?
I did. This is like before, I think it was like before OnlyFans. It was like, do you remember when premium Snapchat was like the thing?
I heard about it, yeah.
So,
you had to pay for it, right?
Yeah, so we were like charging guys to go to our Snapchat, and then we would do like post to our stories like little videos and stuff.
Yeah.
So that was like right before OnlyFans, and I decided to do like one of those fan contests. But the way I feel like I didn't rig it. Like I actually, but I made every guy send me a picture of their face in the and then I chose from there.
So you a fan?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and he ended up having like the biggest thing ever. But I shouldn't have picked him, because now when people watch it, they're like, that's not a fan. That's like a talent from the industry, but it was like 100% a fan, but I picked him based upon.
So you just picked the biggest you saw.
I picked a really big yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, but it was like, it went so good for me, but now if I post it on OnlyFans, they like ban that content now.
Oh, really?
You can't say like, you fan.
What? Mm-hmm. Oh, they don't want to get sued or something?
Yeah, because otherwise it's like solicitation.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I always wondered if those fan videos were fake.
Most of them are.
That's
but
what I
I
feel
like really did mine for real. Like I wanted to do a real one.
Yeah.
But then I made it look sketchy because I picked like a well-endowed.
I feel that. Those delivery driver ones are definitely fake.
Oh yeah.
Those are.
Yeah. Most of the stuff is, you know, like a little setup, but.
Yeah. But some people do. Like I've seen some weird ones that looked kind of real. I don't know.
Sometimes they're fooling me too, though.
Yeah?
Yeah, like I'm like, is this real? And then they're like, no. So even like I get fooled nowadays.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
How was Adam's podcast?
I've been on it a lot. I actually went on it with my ex-husband.
Oh, yeah?
That was like the first podcast he did with me of like talking about like our marriage and him supporting me in the industry and stuff. And then I did like 3 times.
Plug talk or no jumper?
I did do both.
Okay.
I think I did 2 no jumper. I did one with Sharp.
Yeah.
And that one went really good. That's when I did the money bag thing that ended up.
Got
that was
it.
like my biggest paid month I've ever had was from that money bag clip.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then I love Adam because I've been before all that kind of stuff. Like I feel like when him and Lena started, I think I was one of their first threesomes. It was like before OnlyFans, before they did Plug Talk, anything like that. We just did it in their old apartment. So by that time, I already Adam.
Oh,
yeah.
So you didn't film it? You just did it?
No, we filmed it. we filmed it. We have lots of like tapes together before Plug Talk.
Are you different on camera?
No, honestly, I feel like on camera, like it depends on the scene. Like if I'm into it, which all my OnlyFans ones, I'm actually into it because I get to pick the people.
Yeah.
I start knowing like it's filmed, but I get so like lost in the sauce that I forget the camera's there. Like I don't even know how to describe it. It's like I'm just in my own world with that person. And like I don't even realize the camera's there until like the person holding the camera says something or we have to take like a break or something. And I'm just like in it.
So you get locked in.
I get locked in because I'm picking like the girls or the guys like I really want.
Yeah.
So I'm just like excited.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.